y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me and welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So today's video I am going to be doing a wash and go using the not so new, maybe new to me, old to you, I don't know, but the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel, and this is in the coconut banana scent. I'm a little hesitant when it comes to the scent of this. I don't know. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna see how I like it. All right, y'all. So my hair is already washed, and I have my leave-in in. I use the Palmer's Mallow Root leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna start off with just this section, small section, and then I have some hot water in here because I like to, you know, get that good drip. I am gonna use a cream today. I'm gonna be using my TGIN Twist and Define cream. I haven't used this in a while, and it does me good. The two products mix well together, and it doesn't leave any like clumping or anything. So I'm like, all right, I just want to use this for a little bit extra moisture, especially because I'm going in with the new gel that I've never used before, and I'm like, nah, bruh. I gotta make sure that my hair is moisturized. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to turn down my lights a little bit. This is a very thick gel. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like this scent. Ugh. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the roots in the back side. And I don't think I'm going to use the shingling method. I don't know yet. Not quite sure. I like how it's clumping my curls though. All right, well, I'm gonna just keep going because yeah, we just gonna keep going. And right before I put on my gel, I'm gonna take my Tangle Teaser and just, you know, comb through the kinks. It is coating the heck out of my hair. Didn't even use the shingling method yet, sis. Hello. All right, y'all, so I have completed my hair. I am shook because this is the quickest wash and go that I've ever done. Granted, I did not do the shingling method, but that raking smoothing method, baby, that cut down my time at least 30 minutes. Like, are you kidding me? So now I'm gonna let this air dry. I'll probably sit under the dryer for a little bit, and then I will come back to y'all once this is completely dry. You guys, can we get into this? Like, this was so quick. Now, yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts when I get back. So, peace. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. It's the next day. I stretched my hair, let it air dry, half air dry, half blow dry. I blow dried my roots and kind of stretched it to get the volume that I want, and broke my cast and everything like that. And I'm pretty pleased with the results. The definition is really nice. Now I will say that, let me just keep it a buck with y'all. So when I woke up this morning, because last night I went to sleep, my hair was not dry, but I slept in pigtails, and then this morning I woke up and my hair was still not dry. Like 6-7 hours later, my hair was still not dry. So I was very irritated, and this morning, and I'll just enter a clip right here, this morning my hair just was not it, and like I was trying to I was trying to fluff my hair and just was not budging, and I was just over it. Now I did however, you know, let it air dry some more, went to work, came back, and then I stretched the roots and blow dried the roots some, and then I put it up in a high pineapple just to stretch it a little bit more. And now I'm pretty pleased with the results. I feel like I have the volume that I like. My hair is still very much curly and very defined, so I am really happy about these final results, because this morning my hair was not it. Now, how I feel about the gel, I do really like how it coated my hair. I like how it defined my curls, but I do feel like, I don't know, there was like a weird texture to it, and the fact that it took forever for my hair to dry, I was just like, it should not take this long. So that really was like my number one like con for this gel. But other than that, I'm not mad at it. I feel like I want to play around with the gel some more. I'm not going to rule it out, because I do like the definition that it gives. Even with the process of me applying the gel, it really weighed my hair down. But right now that my hair is like dry, I'm not getting much of a weighed down feel. Like, I feel like my hair is very flowy. So yeah, right now I'm a little indifferent on my overall thoughts about the gel. The fact that it was super hard to find. I went to like 4 different beauty supply stores, and I'm just like, bruh, where is this gel? However, your girl found it, and So Good BB has it on their website. So you guys finally have a place to buy the gel, because I know that it's been super hard for a lot of people to even be able to find it. Like, I went to 4 different beauty supplies and nobody knew what I was talking about. Like, they were like, oh, we have Eco Style. No, I want Style Factor gel. And the only thing that they did have was the pomade. But yes, you guys, this is what we're looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Let me know if you guys have tried the Style Factor gel or want to try the Style Factor gel, if you have any questions or anything like that, and we'll talk in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!